Hey, what's up YouTube? So a lot of people have asked me what my daily driver is, and surprisingly enough, it may not be what you think it is. It's actually a 1995 Ford E350 Econoline cargo van. So I saw the van, it was listed on Craigslist. The guy wanted $1,000 for it. I called the guy up and we agreed to meet up at where his concrete company is. He didn't tell me on Craigslist, but he told me in person that the van was recently in an accident and one of his drivers hit another vehicle, causing the tie rods to turn in, and the front bumper fell off. I knew I wasn't going to pay $1,000, so I'm trying to think of a number of what I was willing to pay for it, and I was like, you know what, let me just take it around the block, see if I even like it. The guy fired it up and it sounded incredible. The motor was crystal clean. It was so detailed beautifully, literally you could eat off it. Everything else on the van was absolutely beyond worn out. Rust, body rust, all the cooling system, all the hoses were totally dry rotted. The front suspension was completely shot, but otherwise the motor ran fantastically. The transmission was immaculate. So I paid $800 for the van. I drove it home. The steering wheel was clocked at 6 o'clock. I could barely get it on 95. I probably shouldn't have drove it, but I got it home. I put 2 new tie rods on it, center link, greased it, did my own alignment with the tape measure in the driveway. I get decent gas mileage. It is a 5.8, but it has more of a highway gearing rear. It's just very comfortable to drive. The visibility is incredible. The mirrors are good. I use it for construction, a lot of contracting, as you can see. So those are 4 bundles of shingles. That's actually a refrigerator, a full refrigerator right there laying on its side. I'll show you the back. So this is what the back of the van looks like. And the shelving for contracting and tools. That was already there when I purchased it from the concrete company. And I'll show you the springs. The springs aren't really even, it doesn't even look like anything's in the van. You can see the van still has a good pitch to it. It's not squatting. It just kind of likes being beat on. But anyway, we're gonna go for a ride and I'll show you what the van drives like. As you can see, the interior is disgusting. All the construction workers that have been in here and smoking cigarettes. There was permanent just cigarette ash all over the van, concrete dust everywhere. I cleaned it all off with Windex and it's fine now, but it was really in bad condition. We'll fire it up. Power steering is incredible. No sounds, no squeals. Wipers work good. If you look at the gauge where the oil pressure is, it's right in the middle where it's supposed to be. And here we go.